This is the channel called Learning About Anything and Everything. Mostly I like the videos of Sadhguru because I like to listen to him and see how to improvise myself in the daily issues or the moments of life. I'll try to explain things, either it be a passive income or it be an investment or it be any kind of international investments. About health, yes, I've been in health and fitness profession for more than 28 years, and I can talk about things that most people forget to understand when it comes to you know the body and the mind, which the guru has spoken very well. We work on the same line. My background as an acupuncturist, not the acupuncturist on the needle scale, but I practice the classical acupuncture, and it is we do put needles when needed, but most of the time the touch itself works amazing, and we work on those five elements and nothing more. So this body works awesomely if you let it, be and give some time for it to work. It handles itself. This is the best thing about this body. But if you're going to go crazy, panic, and put things in your system because you're not feeling good, the best thing is to do is just sit back, lie down, take a rest. It'll it'll come back. You won't die. Your body only uh, creates difficulties to two things. One is inflammation and other is pain. So these two things, if they are not there, you will handle your body very well. But when these two things happen, you need to understand why these two things have happened. A lot of things about this, but for that I'll make a few more videos. Meanwhile, fitness, protein supplements, what to take, what not to take, how to take, why to take. I can explain everything and how much water one should drink and how to drink water in the ways that will not affect your body. I can explain you that also. So nothing new that I'll be talking about as everything has been spoken well before me. This channel will have a lot of videos which will be other than Sadhguru's. Uh, there will be stupid compilations. I hope you guys can subscribe, hit that channel, put the like, and let me know how you feel about the things that I just spoke about. Keep watching, and I'll keep updating now and then. Thank you. Namaskaram.